Mr. Blends.
What's up, my ninjas? Your boy Jay Blends here, revealing of the Hattori Hanzo 6-inch shears and thinning shears that I just got about a month ago. So I thought I'd make a video real quick and just kind of show you what they come with. They are definitely some different price ranges on each different shear. These ones are definitely not the most expensive, but as you can see, they're pretty nice. I got the 6-inch because the ones that I have currently are just some cheap ones that I had when I first started opening up the shop here at my house. And figured it's about time that I need to get some, texturizing shears that will help me with time and also make my cuts that much better. So, as some would say, taking it to that next level. As you can see, they have the swivel handle on both of them. When they first arrived, the swivel hinge on the regular shear was unyielding. Then on the texturizing shear, so you had to loosen it up a little bit or tighten it depending on what your preference is. I like mine to swivel a little bit more with these. They got little buttons on them to latch in there, to slip through just so they don't fall out. There is, at the beginning of the video, I showed Hanzo Nation, which is basically an invitation to purchase a sharpening kind of subscription, so you can send them in, get them sharpened by Hattori, and they'll send them back to you. I think it's like $10 a month or something like that, $15 a month.
Ring that bell.
We'll see how often I do sharpen them, but definitely you want to get your shears sharpened by a professional, because the guys who come around to the shops and just sharpen usually will just tear your scissors up. So fair warning on that. It pays, since you're paying so much for them, it pays to put in the extra cash and make sure that it's done right. Or you can try it at home and wreck some cheap ones and then figure it out yourself. It's really up to you, but I haven't had to sharpen them yet, so they so far I like them. I've had to adjust the finger slots because they were a little too large, and the inserts that they gave me were not quite thick enough. So depending on your fingers size, the width of them.
Damn, Jay Blend.
Just want to check that out. I do have this pair that is actually me trying them out. So what they do with that,
Jay Blends,
is they send them to you. You still have to pay an initial payment, and then they give you like 60 days to basically try them out, see what you think. Of course, my trial period's already over. It goes by quick, so make note of that. They are about $130 a month on finance, so no interest, but you are gonna pay for them.
Smash the like button.
And so far so good. I've been happy with the way they performed. I do wish that the actual shear
Jay Blend
was a little thicker, a little heavier. It's a little light, but all in all, I think that these are some top-notch shears. I highly recommend them, and they're worth every penny so
Smash
far.
the like button.
Once I get into the shop more often, use them more, I'll have more of an opinion, and I will let you guys know. But first impressions are good, and big ups to Hattori Hanzo. That's all for today. Take it easy. Peace.
That's that like button.
J Blends.